Hello friends, after long break, Chili Chef come back. I hope you guys are okay and I'm also okay. And really I'm appreciate that I'm getting a lot of response from you guys. So today I'm going to prepare piccata chicken. And please don't forget to subscribe Chili Chef channel and press the bell icon. So okay, let's see what I have ingredients for the piccata chickens. Yes. Firstly, I took 1 piece boneless fresh chicken and 3 tablespoons plain flour, 2 tablespoons white peppers powders, and 1 spoon garlic powders, and 1 spoon onions powders, and 1 spoon chicken seasoning powders. And I took 100 gram of Italian mozzarella cheese, 2 pieces egg, and 2 pounds of fresh Italian parsley. You have to cut the chicken slices. So let's see how to.